Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Armenian lentil soup easy method. Start by sautéing 1 diced onion and 2 carrots in olive oil until soft. Add 2 cloves minced garlic and cook briefly. Stir in 1 cup red lentils, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon cumin, and salt to taste. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes until lentils are tender. Blend partially for texture and serve warm. Warm up your spices and variations to make this soup sing, and I'll guide you through simple choices. Toast a teaspoon of cumin and a half teaspoon paprika in the pan for 30 seconds to deepen flavor. Consider adding a diced potato or a handful of spinach for body and nutrition. Adjust acidity with a squeeze of lemon at the end, and always taste before serving to balance the seasonings. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like if you find the video helpful. It really helps us. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It saves time for cooking and cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals I've found to make kitchen life easier. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on texture and timing so your soup is comforting and consistent. Keep a gentle simmer instead of a rolling boil to prevent lentils from falling apart too much. Add broth gradually if needed to reach desired thickness, remembering lentils will absorb liquid as they rest. Finish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for brightness and a drizzle of olive oil to enrich the mouthfeel before serving in warm bowls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.